Hi everybody, welcome. Today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the demo of language service of OCI. So let's begin. And before we begin, I will request everybody to like, comment, and share that video. So let's begin. So we have a OCI Vision Service Playground, which you can access by clicking on this and analytics and AI service and click on a vision service. So when you click on a vision service, you will see language service. I need to use it language. So here you can see we have something called text analytics. So when you click here, it will have some text already. And if you want to analyze this text, you can simply go and let's say analyze. When you say analyze, all the capabilities that language service will be having, like classify the language. So whatever text you have pasted here, it will check, hey, this text is entered in which language, and accordingly it will show here. The second is text classification. So it talks about in which topic. The topic may be from 600 plus topics. So it says, hey, we talk about on internet and communication web service like Zoom. Then next is name, entity, and recognition. So it says Zoom is an organization, virtual meeting is an event, Zoom is a product, video conference is an event, screen is a product, Zoom organization now is a date and time. Oracle Corporation is an organization, per day, date recurring, Redwood, location GB, and something else. So it recognizes the named entity from this guy. Now you can also see key phrase extractions. So it focuses on the key phrases like Zoom interface, virtual meeting, Zoom link with the scores, confidence score. And then it says the sentiment, whether sentiment is a positive or negative of the text, right? And then you can see sentiment level, sentence level sentiments, like this sentence you talked about positive, then this is positive, this is neutral, and then next is also neutral. And then next is it will be able to extract the PII or PHI information. You can say like now is like some PII information, not say Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison is a name, so it is able to mask that information. So let me quickly take some more text from the net and then put it here. And let's see how it analyzes it, right? Okay, fine. Now let's say analyze. When you say analyze, again, it will show you the English again. It talks about on a government topic, named entity recognition, a Supreme Court organization. One is a number, BJP is an organization, Nishikant Dubey is a person. And then key phrase extension like Supreme Court layer, work of act case, attorney, seeking consent, contempt proceeding, litigants, remarks, etc., etc. And this is like a negative sentence that we are analyzing. So it says it's a negative. PII or PHI information like R. Venkatraman. So it simply masks this. And like Rishikant Dubey, it masks it. So you can configure it like what you want actually. So you can say, hey, I wanted to remove all those things, save changes. And you can see all those PII information has been removed from here. So this is how the the language service works. Next is text translation. Text translation meaning it can translate from a source language to a target language, let's say French. Translate. So it will translate from this to French. So you can say maybe Greek. Translate. Maybe German. Yeah. So this is how this language service works. So these are the pre-trained models. So in case you wanted to have your own models, custom models, you can create a project based on the pre-trained models, and then you can train the model based on your company data set and then analyze the languages. So this is how this language service works. So we have used the playground of OCI for the same. And I hope you find this video. If yes, please like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.